Hi, I'm Joseph from Kaiapoi Aluminium. We've got a range of hardware available at the moment. So we've just upgraded the hardware for the window handles to what's called a helix fastener. So the old fasteners have a wedge that goes up underneath here, and a lot of those tended to break over time. So we've got a helix fastener available now in the Miro, the Urbo and the Icon range. Very popular. The Urbo is probably our most popular range, where we can colour match the hardware to your joinery. And the Miro can also be colour matched. The Icon is stainless steel and finish. We'll move across to the bifold. We've got a 3+1 bifold door here. This is in black anodised aluminium. We've complemented that with elemental hardware. With the 3+1, you've got the ability to open the single leaf, so you can walk in and out over winter, or you can choose to open 2 panels, or you can open the whole door. Like so. Come across the other side of our display. We've got the stacker sliding door. We've chosen to put some windows in the fixed panel, so just to add some extra ventilation in. So you can open those windows whilst the door is closed, or you can open the sliding door and you can open up 2/3 of the space approximately with a stacker slider versus just half the door when you have a normal sliding door. And then we've got a very popular plasma entrance door. It's an Intensity Moonlight, I think it is at the moment, which is that bright yellow colour. The plasma door can be dual colour, so we've chosen to do the bright colour to the outside, and the inside colour is the same frame as the aluminium, which is palladium silver. So yeah, and the plasma door is also thermally broken. So we're here for the next few days at the home show, so come and see us at the Canterbury Home Show. Thanks very much.